morning, everyone. So this is the presentation of Miss Yuji, which is the public speaking. So this is the additional qualities of a good speech, which is specific anecdotes or examples, humor or eye contact. So make sure that your examples, anecdotes are specific. If you're trying to prove a point or move audience with emotion, be sure that any examples you provide is to support your thesis or main point is specific. So, dapat specific ang atong examples. So, use humor when we're appropriate. Of course, naman yung uban nga, di jud ka lang funny at mga speeches. Okay. But if you present the information you are hoping to convey in the context of humorous story or anecdote, you will have gone a long way toward creating relatable and compelling speech that listener remember long after you given it. So eye contact. You know, in speaking, it's important to have eye contact with your audience, right?
Yes.
So keep maintaining eye contact with various audience members. Don't look down. And next is show confidence when speaking. Everyone can be. Confidence is also the appearance of enjoying what you're doing. If the audience feels what the speaker is in charge of what he is saying and is comfortable and happy to share, then the audience is more relaxed, more likely to stay focused on what they are hearing. Okay, so there are numbers of things that make all speakers good. Diba, sometimes we're not confident enough bitaw ka sa itself kay mahadlok ta teachers na alam mali din yung na. So being sa speaking, so we just need to be confident, have confidence when you speak, and not only confidence in your words but in your presence. So earlier we had Miss Yuji. She said na ini kanan hand gesture, body gesture can help in speaking in the way you speak. So next is always be yourself. Okay, theory.
Be sure that you are being yourself. That kind of
But the fact is that the best thing you can do when giving a speech is to be yourself. Speak like yourself and deliver the words you have prepared with honesty and authenticity. Okay, so understandable naman di ba na guys? Namin sometimes nga kanang di man sa kanang makatry sa itong consulting sa speech, may mahadlok ta, but just be yourself. So next is key attribute means when people use the term key attributes in terms of speech, they are referring to the aspects of the speech that made it memorable and that the speaker imparted to the crowd. If you are giving speech at a funeral, key attributes are going to be memorable character traits of the deceased as well as an anecdote that promotes the traits. If you are kanang kita mo speech man ta sa kanang lubong sa tinuan sa pagbuwan, we show inspiration and ay kanang memorable na moment because that's key attributes. Lastly, why do people give speeches? Maybe there are three general general purposes that all speeches fall into, to inform, to persuade, and to educate, depending on what their ultimate goal is. You will start by repeating one of these general purposes and then selecting an appropriate speech pattern that goes along with the general purpose. Personal speeches like wedding toast, naman dyan na sa mga wedding, sa kasal, mo speech man na ang bride to her groom or even their parents. So, kanang another more speeches like in graduation to inspire students or just like me in front of you kanang speech nga not just hindi mo jud kanunay entertain but na uban speeches sad na maka-inspire. Yes. So that is all for today and thank you for listening.